paborito niyong Shout Out! Ito naman ang segment kung saan pinapakita natin ang creativity ng teammates natin. It's Fun Art Time! Kasama natin yan si Grace, Carmina, Jenica, Mary Joy, and Anna May. Kaya guys, i-announce namin yung winner. Si Mary Joy! And Mega yes, for shoutout. Wow, bonggang-bongga naman yan. Congratulations. Ginaya niya talaga yung studio ng shoutout. At ngayon naman, humanda kayo sa kakatawa sa 4th round ng I Dare Laugh-A-LoozA Challenge. Panoorin natin. Video play now!
Part 4 na ng ating nakakatuwa at nakakatawang I Dare na The Laugh-A-LoozA Challenge. Sino kaya sa ating mga players ang maghahakot ng laugh points ngayong araw? Eto na sila.
What's up, yo? Hey, dude. Oh, it's my homie. What's up, nigga? Hey! Come on! Bro, give me some hip-hop moves here. Hip-hop moves, come on. Yeah. Yo! Give me some hip-hop moves here. Okay, you. Alright. Alright.
Yes.
Alright. Okay. Who knows the real hip-hop here? I think it's Eric. Do you know it? Alright. First off, what do you want me to do? I want some breaking the bone hip hop. Yo man, do this like that. All right, do it. One hand. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Ikaw nakaisip, ikaw gumawa. Yes. All right, like this. One back. I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. Go jig with it. Rock your band with it. Go jig with it. Think man, do this. Yeah, jig it with it. Go jig it with it. Jig. Yeah, you are so good. Yeah, come on. Alright. I'm so tired. Mabuhay mo, Abi. Buang ka sa kulit. Hingang ko, buang. Bayeste. You are now in my ballroom class. Did you like my outfit? Very nice, lovely. Thank you. What do you say about my outfit?
You look very perfect.
Very close to perfect? Very feathers. Yes. Yeah, I like. Ito ang basic sa ballroom. May ikot-ikot ka matagal na ganyan. Gawin nyo. Na, go! And turn on it. Oh, to balance. Yes, Eric, I need you to top it off. Well off, man. Yes. You know, possess lang. Out of balance again. Great at balance. I love it. That's it. Again, am I pretty? Very. Marami pilito kayo. Pretty?
You're very pretty.
Thank you. Uy, nakakainis naman yun. Oy. Ayun, tumawa siya. Nakita mo yan? Tumawa siya. Yung bag.
Bukas, malalaman na natin ang total laughs ng bawat player at kung sinong teammate at grupo ang mapaparusahan. Huwag palalampisin bukas ang last part ng I Dare, The Laugh-A-LoozA Challenge.
Well, kasi marami akong dahilan para tumawa at maging masaya. That's why. Pero pag yun.
Kaya bukas, magsama-sama tayong ulit dahil for sure, magiging masaya tayong lahat! And syempre, katulad ng sinabi ni Enchong kanina, lahat ng mga requests na performances na gusto nyo makita sa amin, just send that to shoutoutofficial@gmail.com at sa Twitter and Facebook accounts namin. Alright? Ipadala nyo lang lahat yan at kailangan nyo talagang manood bukas dahil magpapagupit na ako mamaya.
Wow! May ganon! Abangan natin yan, ha?
Kaya naman maraming salamat sa lahat ng teammates natin dito sa studio. Guys. At magbabalik pa rin ang pinaka masayang hangout ng kabataang Pinoy bukas dito lang sa